Okay, in this video, I'm just gonna show you the best way to make your litter box. Okay, you guys might just put like some people like take the box, put hay in the side, put the substrate in beside here, right? When they do that, it's good. It's good. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But the thing is, when they do that, they usually like pee or poop on the food. You know what I mean? When that happens, that's really bad. I do not like it because it's like a waste of food. You know what I mean? So now my new idea is just doing this. Although this is I don't just use this. I just block this side because like I keep on going that side, and this side I don't want him to go that side because I did not clean that side yet. I don't want him to stay. I want him to just like stay in the side. One of the thing I hate about bunny is like they make so much mess when they like leave their place. My idea is like it's really easy. Just buy this. I'm gonna draw with this. I just putting my trash inside here for a while. Just buy like a glass thing like this, or you can use like anything. You can use anything. You can also use like a plastic cup. You just put like a lid on top of it and make a hole on it, so that they can put their head through it. But then they cannot put their ass through it. When they put their butt through it, they're gonna poop inside, right? The thing here is this guy can put his head and he can also put his like feet. He can also put his like hand through it, so he can reach to the back, and he can still eat it. So basically, that means like he can reach to the back, but then like he had to poop here. He cannot poop inside there, which means that like I'm still gonna change the hay. You know what I mean? I'm still gonna change the hay, but then I'm not gonna like throw away the hay. I'm just gonna put that hay back in the hay bin. I'm just gonna, like make it up so that the hay become like new again and the smell become new. Because my guy's like when they become old, he don't eat anymore. But then like when he become old, he already pee on it. You know what I mean? So it's like he don't like it anymore. So the way I did now is like it's really good. But you could also just buy a little box like the hay rack. The hay rack is also good. But the thing is, I don't need a hay rack because I already had this when I had a fish tank. This stuff I got it from my friend, one of my friend. Yeah, this one I don't use it anymore. Yeah, rabbits are like not that stupid. You know what I mean? They are pretty smart. They are pretty smart animal. So yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, the thing I hate about is like when they jump, they make so much mess. So yeah, come on. I'm just gonna put like the hay at the front so that it's easier for him to eat. Come on, up. This guy's like pretty stupid, you know what I mean? Like, no, it's not stupid, but then like he's like pretty messy. He's like really messy, but it's fine. It's not a bad thing for him to be messy. I can just like put it back inside here. He's still not gonna eat it, but it's fine. Oh, this is really nice. It's just wood. I got it from like the polar wood chip. Wood chip is fine, I think. I'm not sure, but it's probably gonna be fine because I looked out and like it said that polar wood is fine. So yeah, it's fine for him to eat. So basically, it's really easy. Take a glass pen, take like a square, take like any plastic thing, right? I took a plastic thing and I just like put it on top of here, and I just like cover it with like the what is it called? Like the tape. Yeah, with the tape. You can use any tape you want. It's fine. It's literally fine. I just add this so that when they pee, it's like like a bit better. Or they get like like it get too wet. I don't like it to get too wet. That's why I just add like a bit of it. The brand I use is this one. It's like Jolly Pet Butter. It's made from China, I think, or Korea. I'm not sure. China, Korea, Japan look all alike, but yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna add a bit more. You can add a bit more anyway, but then like I'm not really using this stuff because like my guy no, I use it, but then like I'm not using that much often. I use like sometimes. Today I use it because like I use it, but then like usually I don't use it because like I still have to change it the next day, so it's like a waste of money, but it's fine. I just use it because like when I add this in here, the next day I'm just gonna put it in my compost bin. yeah, I'm making compost. My compost is not great. It's a very bad one, but it's fine, I suppose. If I just leave it for like a year or something, all of them will turn to a compost, and it's fine. So basically, I just do this. So when they poop here. He also pee on here already. He pee here. He usually pee on the food, but then now he cannot pee on the food. So that's great. And this is like really absorbent. You know what I mean? This is now like pretty dry now. People pee on there. You can't pee in there. That's the best thing. I don't really care if you pee here, pee anywhere. I don't really care. If you don't pee inside here, it's fine. Yeah. So yeah. Where's my bunny go? My bunny's at the back. Bye bye. You see, this is the only this bunny also have all of my animals have the worst name except for one animal, my leopard gecko. I sold him, which was like a really very sad thing because he was my first reptile pet, and I was like pretty sad. I was like real sad. I was like, it was like a really bad moment for me, but I had to sell it because I want a new pet. That's so sad also because I'm really stupid, but it's fine. I don't care anymore. I got over it. Yeah, that reptile name was like Godzilla. That was the only pet I got a special name. My bird, my buggy. I named him Birdie. I named this rat bunny Bun Bun. I named my iguana IG. I named my bearded dragon BD. I have really bad name taste, like bearded dragon BD, iguana IG, birdie, or buggy. Or like, I'm not sure how to say that. It's like buggy or burgy, or I don't know. That like it's yeah. I call him Birdie. I call this Bun Bun. Like I have like three leopard gecko. One of them is Luna. That's also the other good name. That's like my second leopard gecko, which I got. And my third leopard gecko is like a raptor. It's like an albino raptor. So I name it Raptor. It's fine, but then like all my leopard gecko had like good name, not the bad names. So it's not that bad. But my other animal have like really bad name. That's why if you ever had an animal, do not let me name it. Because like if there's like a tidy, I'm just gonna name it like TG or something. I don't know. I have really bad name taste. If there's like how I say it, it's like a dog, I'm just gonna name it like DG. The only reason my two dogs have good names is because I'm my sister. My sister named it like Baby and Larry. It's now like Barry and Pule. How do you translate Pule to Burmese? It's called like White Kid or something. Yeah, it's like one of my dog name was White Kid. Okay, yeah, bye. It's really easy. Just take a glass box or glass tank and just like put like a plastic over it and just make a hole and just tape it. Easy. Thank you.